Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Sorry about this being late. Not late, it's still the day of this giveaway drawing, but I had an unexpected longer appointment today. And I don't know if that's the right... Anyway, I had an extra long appointment today, so I'm running behind. So today is the giveaway drawing. You needed to vote. There was a video a month ago where we did another giveaway drawing, and you get to vote on the new background designs that are coming out. So you had to leave me a comment under that video and make your vote, pick your choices, and then you also have to be a subscriber to my channel. So that's what we're doing today. Sorry I didn't have this ready already, you guys. So sorry. Get YouTube comments. Okay. All right. So let me get my thoughts straight here. Okay, so the two background designs that got the most votes was the vintage and the light wood. So those two are now available in the timeless set of templates in my Etsy shop. I'll have them linked down below. So those are the two that got the most votes. And so there'll be two winners today, and you'll get to choose between these two sets. That's your winnings, and all you have to do is contact me through an email that's down below, and we will get the ball rolling on that. So there's also a coupon code. I'll show you that here in a minute. And that we'll be doing another giveaway in a month from now, except there's only two background designs left. So there's vintage, polka dot, and letters. So those will be the next two that are given away, or the next two that are released next month in September. But we're still going to do a giveaway, so leave a comment below this video and just tell me your thoughts about the timeless. You don't have to vote or anything. Just leave me a comment and say something nice. And that'll enter you into the giveaway as long as you are a subscriber to my channel. So that giveaway will be 1 month from today, and I will have all that information in the description box. Okay, so I've got the URL. I am going to start the raffle pick, and then I'm going to check to see if you are a subscriber, and then we'll go from there. Okay, let's hit start. Okay, congratulations to Mary P 2747. You are the first winner of one of these two sets of templates, whether it's the vintage timeless or the lightwood timeless, and you'll need to contact me below via that email down in the description box. I'll also pin it to the first pinned comment. Contact me through that email. I don't take any other emails. I don't take my email. The only thing that I take through that email is the giveaway winners. So I don't do any other correspondence through that email. Just FYI. Contact me. You'll have until August 12th to contact me, and then we'll get the ball rolling on your winnings. Alright, so congratulations to Mary P. Alrighty, let's pick another winner. Oh, Shelly B Creations. I think I know who. Alright, congratulations to Shelly B Creations 4358. I see you comment a lot. Let's see. My vote is for letters and vintage. So contact me through the email down below, and we will get the ball rolling on your winnings. Alright, so congratulations to those two winners. And I'll have these linked down below. But there is a coupon code, and the coupon code is August 2024. It's good for 20% off of everything in my Etsy shop with a minimum purchase of $10 US. It's valid from today, from this video going public, until August 12th, 2024. So we've got one more giveaway for this set of templates, and that'll be a month from now. All of that information will be down below. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and you give me a thumbs up. And yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.